How to create iQIYI account. So if you want to create an iQIYI account, then first check your internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, make sure to install the application. Once you've installed, you need to simply open up the iQIYI application. Once you've opened, you can allow, and then it will have this kind of interface. Here you can go for the me icon, which is on the bottom right, and then it will take you to the login or sign in page. So you can simply tap on login or sign up, which is on the upper side of your screen. Click on that, and here you will have login option. So if you want to log into your account, then you can log in, or if you want to sign up, then go for the bottom, which says sign up now. So go for sign up now, and here you need to enter your mobile number or your email address. So enter your mobile number or email, and once you enter that, you will get a 6-digit code to the email address that you have just provided. So you can simply open up your mail, and then you need to simply enter that 6-digit code here. And once you enter your code, now proceed, and then it will take you to the profile page. So here you need to enter your profile credentials or your profile information. Select your name and gender. And once you've selected the name and gender, you need to simply go for save. And once you've saved, your account has been successfully created. So that's it. That's how you can create your account on iQIYI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.